What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So the big news is out with Arbor Realty Trust. And yes, I am a very proud investor of Arbor Realty Trust. It has generated me a lot of passive income. I own a lot of shares of Arbor Realty Trust. We're going to go over them a little bit. Now, there's been a lot of scrutiny with Viceroy research. Actually, they blocked me on X for calling them out. What a surprise. And a few things that are very interesting with this claim with Arbor Realty Trust are these lending practices. So we're going to go over Arbor Realty Trust a little bit, and I'm going to discuss why I'm going to hold on to Arbor Realty Trust. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check out this stock right now. Arbor Realty Trust is taking a huge hit. It's sitting at $13.71. It's going to be dropping even more. I might actually buy them. I'm going to explain to you why. I was thinking about putting some money into some dividend growth stocks. I will do that on Monday, but this is a really big surprise. The negative attention is kicking in, but let's go over Arbor Realty Trust real quick. So before I even start, because Viceroy research is a bunch of knuckleheads, just reading their first paragraph, because they've been going after Arbor Realty Trust, and I can tell you when negative attention goes towards a company like this, it's the Department of Justice is going to be looking into this. I mean, I'm just being honest with you. When people keep on saying he said, she said, this stuff, more and more people will grab interest, and this is probably why the Department of Justice is involved. I'm going to point the finger at these dingbats from Viceroy Research. Now, first of all, on their website, they say, our research reports have been prepared for educational purposes only and express our opinions. Our reports and any statements made in connection with them are authors' opinions, which have been based upon publicly available facts, field research, information, and analysis through our due diligence process and not statements of fact. Not statements of fact. All expressions of opinion are subject to change without notice, and we do not undertake or update or supplement any reports of any information, analysis, and opinion contained in them. We believe that publication of our opinions about public companies that we research is in the public interest. We are entitled to our opinions and the right to express such opinions in a public forum. You can access any information of evidence cited in this report that we relied on to write this report from information in the public domain. So, another thing Viceroy Research says, to the best of our ability and belief, all information contained herein is accurate and reliable. Yeah, good luck. And has been obtained from the public sources, and we believe to be accurate and reliable, and who are not insiders or connected person of stocks covered herein or may otherwise owe any duty of confidentiality to the issuer. We have a good faith belief in everything we write. However, all such information is presented as is without warranty of any kind, whether express or implied. And I have the utmost confidence in Arbor Realty Trust because, first of all, if you're a public company, you have to be very transparent. They've been very transparent with their investments. I'll be very surprised if they actually get dinged because they're extremely transparent. They've made very good money. They're a very successful company. Arbor Realty Trust, this is their article, on Friday, May 3rd, 2024, released its first quarter earnings release and filed its first quarter Form 10-Q. As you may be aware, Arbor has been and continues to be the subject of certain reports by short sellers who frequently make statements that reflect their opinions based on certain select data. In light of our current environment and continued elevated short interest of our company, We anticipate more of these short seller reports in the near future, which have been also featured in the press, in an effort to minimize any confusion in the marketplace with our investors, and instead responding to each article that cites these reports. We want to reiterate that we stand by Arbor's detailed findings, audited financial statements, and comments made on our earnings call. Rather than relying on these short seller reports or press articles, we encourage everyone to carefully review our comprehensive public statements and disclosures. Our materials detail Arbor's continued success in managing through a very challenging environment, demonstrates our ability to consistently outperform our peers. Yes, they have outperformed their peers. They have done well. Please refer to the investor materials page of the investor relations sections of our corporate website for charts on our performance. So let's look at that. So this is on May 2024. They consistently outperform the peer group by a wide margin. Yes, they have demonstrated ability to provide shareholder value in all cycles. 5-year return, shareholder return. Peer group comparison, book value per share and dividend growth. Our company in our space with sustained book value and dividend growth. So again, they've been doing extremely well with their dividend. Their peer average dividend, like AGNC and all those idiots, they have not done well. NLY, they have not done well. So they are very transparent. I'm going to go over their revenue trends and dividend history. Now, during stressful times, they have done very well. This is the first time they actually are a little bit in the negative. Quarterly revenue, 0.401 billion, 0.406 billion, 0.416 billion, and it went down to 0.378 billion. Now, trailing 12 months, there was a slight dip. So it was 1.612 billion, 1.64 billion, 1.601 billion. So the revenue trends have been very consistent. I'll show you numerically how they're doing. So I'm going to show you numerically how they're doing. I just showed you a little bit of a chart. So annually in millions US dollars, 2013, 131, 2014, 141, 2015, 142, 2016, 213, 2017, 346, 2018, 484, 2019, 535, 2020, 603, 2021, 799, 2022, 1,176, and 2023, 1,624. I do believe that they are very transparent. I think they would have been this is just me, I think they would have been in trouble a long time ago if they were not transparent. People would have caught on a lot earlier. But since people are short selling them, this is an opportunity for people like Viceroy Research to give some negative press. And, Viceroy Research has a lot of issues, and you can look them up. So I just want to be a little transparent about these trends. Look, if you're not transparent, the government comes right after you. And sure, if there's negative attention, there's negative attention, yes, people like the Department of Justice are going to probe and investigate you. I can honestly see Arbor Realty Trust saying, here you go. Here's our papers. See whatever you need to see. I think they'll be okay. And I'm going to show you the dividend growth history. They are such a strong mortgage-backed real estate investment trust. I absolutely love them. It's one of my favorite REITs. There's a lot of negative press. So, I'm considering buying a dip. I'm not going to declare it yet. But I'm considering throwing $200 in today because of the dip. Quarterly dividend, 2012, 10 cents, 11 cents, 12 cents, 13 cents, 2015, 15 cents, 2016, 16 cents, 2017, 18 cents, 19 cents, 2018, 21 cents, 25 cents, 2018, 27 cents, 2019, 27 cents, 28 cents, 29 cents, 30 cents, 31 cents, 32 cents, 33 cents, 2021, 34, 35, and they just cracked 43 cents in 2024. So again, funds for operation REITs are very important. Dividend growth in 5 years, 9.88%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 14. If you bought one share, you made $1.72 with 11.07% dividend yield. Yes, I feel very confident in Arbor Realty Trust. I'm not giving you financial advice for entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer in the description. I earn a lot of passive income for Arbor Realty Trust. I plan on being long them. If something drastically happens with this company, I will sell them. But again, I'm just being very honest with you, and I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. This YouTube channel is not financial advice. Do not use this YouTube channel for any form of financial advice for entertainment purposes. Only disclaimer in the description. If you're looking for financial advice, go to a financial advisor, a tax advisor, go to them for that purpose. Okay? Do not use this YouTube channel for any form of financial advice or tax advice. I'm going to repeat that 3 times because I know this video is going to grab a lot of attention after what's going on with Arbor Realty Trust. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money. So be aware of that. Do your due diligence. And remember, you can gain money, you can lose money. So be aware of that risk when you make those investments. So I plan on holding on to Arbor Realty Trust. I'm going to tell you, I feel very confident with Arbor Realty Trust. Negative attention, Viceroy Research, I think those guys are a bunch of clowns. And knuckleheads, I don't think they're very transparent. And if you read their articles, I really think a high schooler can do a better job with presentations. I don't think these people are very intelligent at all, and they're just trying to steal people's money. Take care and have a good one.